Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you dodge buyer's remorse like it's a game of dodgeball. Today, we're diving into the steamy showdown between the GorFanty Steam Mop and the Newbealer Steam Mop. It's like the Olympics for cleaning products. Who will take home the gold medal in grime busting? Let's find out. First up, let's tackle the elephant in the room. Price. The GorFanty comes in at a cool $139, while the Newbealer is a wallet-friendly $104. Reviewers of the GorFanty appreciate its versatility and performance, making it worth the higher price tag. Meanwhile, Newbealer buyers love its affordability and compact design, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. So if you're looking to save some cash for your next pizza binge, Newbealer might be your go-to. But remember, you get what you pay for. Now, let's talk functionality. The GorFanty is a 10-in-1 marvel. Reviewers rave about its versatility and power, with many praising its array of attachments that allow it to tackle various cleaning tasks. On the other hand, while Newbealer is also versatile, it has fewer attachments. Some users appreciate its simplicity, stating that sometimes less is more. The GorFanty might be the Swiss Army knife of steam mops, but the Newbealer is a solid alternative for those who prefer a straightforward approach. Both of these bad boys heat up in just 20 seconds. That's faster than I can decide what to binge watch on Netflix. The GorFanty has adjustable steam settings, which reviewers find incredibly useful for different cleaning needs. Meanwhile, the Newbealer reaches a higher temperature of 248, making it a favorite among those looking for intense cleaning power. It seems that both options heat up quickly, but GorFanty offers more versatility in steam settings. Let's talk water tanks. GorFanty's got a 300 milliliters tank, while the Newbealer sports a slightly smaller 250 milliliters tank. Reviewers of the GorFanty love its larger capacity, especially for extended cleaning sessions, while Newbealer users appreciate its lightweight design, even if it means refilling more often. It's like the GorFanty is saying, "I'm ready for a long haul," while the Newbealer is like, "I'm ready for a quick jog." Weight matters, folks. The Newbealer is a lightweight champ at just 3.96 pounds, perfect for those who want an easy-to-handle option. Reviewers highlight its lightweight design as a major plus, especially for cleaning with kids and pets around. The GorFanty, on the other hand, is bulkier, which some users find less convenient. It's like the difference between a feather and a brick. Both are effective, but one won't leave you sore the next day. Overall, the GorFanty Steam Mop is praised for its versatility, power, and performance, making it a favorite among users who want a multifunctional cleaning solution. In contrast, the Newbealer Steam Mop is celebrated for its affordability, lightweight design, and ease of use, appealing to those on a budget or looking for a simpler option. So who's the ultimate steam mop champion? If you want versatility and don't mind spending a bit more, GorFanty is your friend. But if you're looking for something lightweight and budget-friendly, Newbealer is here for you. Remember, whether you choose to go with GorFanty or Newbealer, you'll be cleaning like a pro. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which steam mop you'd take home and why. Until next time, keep it steamy, folks.